Hey everyone, welcome back to SebRauf. So if you're using Steam and trying to authorize the library sharing on this device, you might be getting this error that says Steam Guard is required to enable family library sharing. So in this video, I will be explaining that how you can quickly enable the Steam Guard on your Steam account on Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC and laptop. Alright, so first what you will have to do, you need to click on close. Then from the left hand menu option, you have to click on security. And here you will find the option of Steam Guard. And it says Steam Guard not enabled. So what you will have to do, you need to click on manage Steam Guard. And right now you can see it's been selected to turn Steam Guard off. So what you have to do here, you have to enable it. And you have two different options. Number one, it says get a Steam Guard code from the Steam app on my phone. So you can either go with this authentication or you can go with the second one that says get a Steam Guard code by email. Will require you to re-log in. So you can choose any one of the options. So as of now, I'm going with the second one. I will select it. Then I will go back. And again, if I go to the settings, family, and this time if I try to enable it, so you will find that this option has been enabled. And you will not be having any kind of problem. Okay, so that's all guys for today. Hopefully this quick video will surely help you to get rid of this problem and you can easily enable the Steam Guard on your computer application. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.